In front of me is Realme C35, and let me show you how to change date and time on this phone. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select system, and here click on date and time. And now you can smoothly switch off network provided time and smoothly pick it by yourself. So let's move to, for example, October 2023, and tap on OK, and just in the same way you can manage time. So that's it. You can also change the time zone, also unmark the current one, and then pick the one that you would like to apply. And that's it. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.